Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Design Tech DSB. Today I am going to discuss with you all about the social media heartbreaking news so called Facebook has invested in Geo with so and so money and some amount of stocks also it has won. This is the viral video that has Facebook has announced. Even Geo owner Ambani also announced in news. They have collaborated some amount and also some stocks. So today I'm going to talk about in this video not about this story Facebook has invested in Geo. I am going to talk about why Facebook has chosen India, why Facebook has chosen in this lockdown time. All the industries are facing lot of issues and losses. Why they chosen and they came forward to invest in Geo. Why particularly there are a lot of telecom industries are there in India. Why they have chosen particularly Geo. This all the facts we have to understand. So we'll start the today's session. I'm going to speak about the history of Facebook. When the Facebook has started, it has made a and almost all it has ruled the world. It has become a top rank in almost all social media. And whenever the Facebook has got some competitor, they never go and compete and fight with the companies. They just go and invest on them and get the profit. This is a very wise idea that the Facebook owner Mark Zuckerberg has ever been taken. He never fight or go competitor with the other companies. He just invest and he own the other competitors. It has happened with many other companies. I am going to give you an idea about it has happened in history. So whenever the WhatsApp has came into the existence, it has ruled the world and it also gone the first place, and it has overtaken the Facebook. So at that time the Zuckerberg has owned the WhatsApp value and he has co-funded with the WhatsApp. And also it has happened with the Telegram, Ike, and so many other apps also it has happened in the same way. Today Geo has many customers and followers. They have huge market in India and also in other world also. So they thought to be as a like a shareholder without being a competitor. So Mark Zuckerberg also has did the same thing here. Yes, you are all thinking why they have invested in Geo. This is the perfect answer we are going to get this. Why? Because Indian population is a wide variety. If you compare to all other world, India is equal to almost all the world population. If we invest anything in India, it is equal to investing in other countries also. So most of the companies with the population what they need, they will be come forward and invest in India. So you got the answer like why Facebook has chosen India and why Facebook has chosen Geo. So I will understand why if the Facebook has came forward to invest in India because of a wide huge population in India. So why they choose Geo particularly? Like you have other telecom companies like Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, many are there, but why they chosen as a Indian Hotstar, so called Geo? They have taken as a ambassador. So Geo has started in 2016. When it has started, it is having almost all. It is very having few customers, like 100 customers. But by the end of 2019, as the now, what is the value of the Geo is now the value of the Geo has reached 388 millions of customers. Just within 3 years, they have reached from 100 to millions. This is the key point to think Zuckerberg to invest in India, that too in Geo. And also they are not only in telecom, they are also in news and also magazines. They also have shopping like AGO, and Geo Music is there, Geo TV is there, Geo newspaper is there. They are giving tough competition to the Facebook, and Facebook is facing lot of issue from the Geo, and they are facing loss. So without being competitors and give a tough fight, they thought of investing in Geo. So Facebook has invested in Geo. So we'll look into it how much the Facebook has invested in Geo, how much the amount they have invested. So Facebook is almost all taken Geo percentage of share, almost a 9.9. It is equal to 10% of the Geo. So what is the value of this 10 percentage of the Geo? So if you calculate in dollars, American dollars, it will be $5.7 billion. If you convert in rupees, it will be 43,547 crores. It is the 43,547 crores they have invested in Jio, thinking that it will be grown in future. Yes, it will be growing in future. And they also plan, like in collaboration with Jio and Facebook, they have a collaboration to fight with the China. They already have a magazines, newspaper, TV, and also clothing, online grocery items. They want to come up with new ideas and want to rule the in future. And what is the advantages of like collaborating with Facebook and Jio? What are the India will going to get it? So we'll look into it. Like they got both got collaboration, so what may India get it in future? The first thing is the Indian dollar rupee value will going to be increased now 68 to 70 rupees in future. That is going to be perfect, and it is the most advantageous to India. And they have invested 10%. It is in history no one has invested in India this much of huge percentage. This is the first company of Indian is going to get such a huge shareholders, and also some foreign company also invested. It is a history. No other countries got this much of value. India only got it, and Indian history also it is the first time. And also like Jio is also collaborated with the Modi in Make in India concept. With the help of this, the many Indians are going to get the Facebook projects in India and also Jio projects in India. And this is the plus point to the IT BT sectors and other companies will going to get the many projects in India without other countries. So this is the things I have shared with you. So why Jio and Facebook has collaborated, what is the hidden future in this, and what are the advantages you're going to get it? I think I have answered for your all doubts. If you get any doubts, please do comment. And also you can watch my other some videos I am going to show you here. Please click the link, and please do subscribe to my channel and get updated with the latest trends. Thank you.